welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me and being here even when I was not around. Anyway, I'm sorry guys, I've been away for a minute. Without no further ado, let's head to the video. My hair is kind of messy. My hair is not even kind of messy, but my hair is messy. My hair is messy AF. Yeah, so hopefully I'm going to do a styling video for you guys with this hairstyle, but this hairstyle is going to be the bomb. So first of all, I'm going to start with the braiding pattern. I'm going to do the individual crochet method. So normally I like to divide my hair into 3 parts, so 2 at the front and 1 big portion at the back. So it's the Locs color 1B 30 inches. It's very long, like you can see the length of the braid. So this is going to be fire. Yeah, so you guys can see the length. And I got this package from Janet collection, and yeah, they've been having the best crochet braids of late, and it's in the color 1B, and I know this is going to turn out well. My braids at the back are not really perfect. I didn't want my hairstyle to look really neat, so I didn't want my pattings to be neat because I want it to look messy. Yeah, I want these locks to look like they are natural. That's why I also did loose braids of my hair, so my braids are loose and my pattings are not neat. So if you do tight braids then crochet again, you're going to have painful crochet braids. So the reason why I have done loose braids is because I want it to look more natural. Definitely going to be heavy at some point because it's so long, so we do not want to have tight braids, long crochet braids also, because it's going to damage your hair. I also had loose braids on the front, like I left out some hair at the front. I really didn't like snatch all of them because this is a protective style. Remember, I'm going to stress on this. A protective style should not damage your hair. You should not have tight corners and all that. So I'm briefly going to be showing you guys how I do my back, because most of the time guys are always like, how did you do your back? How did you do your back? Because I don't think guys believe I do my own hair. So for this tutorial, you are going to need a crochet needle. Yeah, a crochet needle. I don't think you need anything else. So as I was doing the crochet braid, I had a challenge because I noticed that the loop was really small, and I tried to widen it but I could not. So do not feel like you can't hack this style because of that. So what I did is I crochet through the braid. Because the loop is small, I'm not going to crochet the crochet braid into the loop, but I'm going to pass my braid through the loop. Then after that, I'm going to pass my braid into the crochet braid. It's as easy as that, and it's not going to slide off. It's going to work pretty well for you, trust me on this. I got a bit of a challenge while I was filming. I really didn't know the loops were so small and tight. I don't know if you guys understand me, but I hacked it because, you know, I'm that girl, so I had to hack this. I thought I was going to do the normal individual crochet braids, but instead I had to change everything because of how small the loops were. And before we continue, let me show you how long this hair is. Yeah, I think it's even below my waist. I'm short, so I think if you're tall it's going to be a bit short for you, but it's still long. This is 30 inches, guys. This is 30 inches, so it's really giving what it's supposed to give. Well, I used 5 packs for this hairstyle. I had like 8 packs, so I have 3 packs remaining, and I don't know what to do with the 3 packs, but I feel like I need to give it away. But in case you're wondering if it's going to slide off, it's not going to slide off. This is secure. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I have been MIA for some time, guys, but I'm back. So yeah, I'm going to be doing more hair installs, more vlogs. Till our next video, guys. Bye.